Moving from that little store, very humble beginning, in 1996, we were a little store in Wanutama shopping center, which served us very well. And I think the customers started their relationship with them. But it was not what we call a full concept store. So we couldn't give the customers the full Ikea experience, which includes food, of course, the restaurant as part of it, and what we call the self-serve. In other words, that warehouse-looking part where you actually feel you are part of the operations by pulling it out. Moving, building a proper store, so that we can give Malaysians, well-deserved customers, right, who loved us from the beginning, that experience, that unique experience that we call the Ikea experience. So continue to find new ways of serving our customers. We probably will be there will be a need to update the stores to be a little bit more interactive, if you want to call it like that, through some new digital tools, right? But lastly, the key is to keep keep a close relationship with our customers and continue to ask them, how can we serve you better, right? And then going back to the co-workers and asking them, how can we also serve you better so that you can serve the customers better, right? I remember it vividly was the sleepover that we had in Damansara when we had a focus on bedrooms for 3 years. Malaysians are so sporting, right? They love not only a good deal, they can spot a good deal, but they love activities like that, and they take the trouble to participate. And one of the ways, of course, the start was e-commerce. That's probably the start. But to complete that accessibility, we are starting with a pilot in Ipoh. It's called Click and Collect. Doing the right thing to do will always be the right thing to do, and then maybe sometimes if we do it a little bit before our time, so to speak, or when the acceptance level is different, but it's still the right thing to do. And then it's our job to try and educate people and explain to people who don't understand yet at that time why we're doing it and why we think it's the right thing to do.